Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to lock applications on your Google Pixel 8a. Let's get started, but firstly, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, we would need to download AppLock Pro application. To do that, open Play Store on your phone, click on this search bar right here, and type in AppLock Pro. Here is how it looks. We click on this application, click install, and wait until the application downloads. After the application has downloaded, we click on open, and right here we would need to set a passcode. We have options like 4-digit PIN, 6-digit PIN, pattern, and no code. I'll choose 4-digit PIN and click OK. I will set PIN code 1234 and verify it one more time and click save. Now we would need to give some permissions to this application so it can work right. For example, show over other apps and detect launch app. We click on this blue button permit, click OK, and in this list we would need to choose AppLock Pro and click on this slider. After this, it shows as permitted, and now we click on the second one and click also on the slider. And that's it. You click permit, allow, consent, and now right here you'd be able to see two lists, unlocked and locked. So to lock any application that is on the list unlocked, we just need to choose the application, for example Pixel Tips, and click on this gray lock right here, and then you'd go to the list with locked applications. Also, if you want to unlock any application, just simply click on this blue lock on the list locked, for example on the files, and it will become unlocked. Now let me show you how the lock works. For example, on the list of locked applications we can see Google Chrome. Let's find it on our phone and click on it. And right here, this application would require a PIN code to open this application. And that's it. Now you know how to lock applications on your Google Pixel 8a. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.